was doing any. Like even Brian Thomas Jr. I think Matt took him really early,
I think it was
second
like
round
second
maybe.
round.
I think it was drafted 16th. He got 8 points, but he got
One
one
touchdown.
reception for 7 targets for 11 yards.
Yeah, I mean that's kind of good though. At least he didn't have like one target. Like I'd rather just see like, oh, he wasn't catching the ball or they were overthrown or something. But at least they're looking
Well,
at him.
well, that's what I said about like with RJ's like I was just like I think all my wide receivers are gonna be a bust. I'm like one Drake London is gonna be fine. He got 15 targets. Like
Yeah,
that's what you want, even though he only got 8 balls. Like you want him to get targeted.
yeah. Everyone's too early. Sarah's like, my team stinks. Who do I need to pick up? I'm like, you would have beat like 8 out of the 12 people in your league. It's just like you faced whoever lost.
Yeah, and he was saying it about like McConkey. I'm like, you're fine. It's you had 1 week where
Quinton
Quinton
Johnson or
Johnson
whatever.
got
Yeah,
like
took. Yeah,
freaking 90
exactly.
yards and 2 touchdowns. It's like you're fine.
Good morning, Flag Bobby. Yeah, everyone's very overreactive on the first week of fantasy. I always think that's the case. I'm underreactive. I'll be like week 6 and like 0-6. I'm like, they'll turn it around. But you gotta at least give like 2 or 3 weeks to settle.
Yeah. Well, that's why I also was saying that I'm like preseason's stupid because none of the stars play. So then week 1 is like
Yeah.
their actual preseason game.
Yeah.
I need my defense to get me like 23, 24 points.
It's happened before. It's just not the likeliest. I don't know. I hate the odds in fantasy. The odds always go to like 99-1 when that's not even close to the case.
Mine's 99-1. I mean, I literally had an 80% chance to win, and then
Yeah,
obviously
that's what I'm
it's like,
saying. The odds are always so bad.
well, obviously you don't expect Kenneth Walker and Nico Collins to get 5 points altogether,
Yeah.
and then like Kittle getting benched, and then there's tight end backup getting 2 touchdowns after that, like really sucks.
Yeah. Morning, yes.
Morning, everybody. Did you see like My Thunder Futures is doing like resets, 700 resets for like $200?
For what? Oh, so you don't have to go through the eval stage or whatever?
Yeah, I honestly think that's kind of like worth it. I don't know, maybe not. Instead, you could get, I don't know. You could
I
get
mean,
3 accounts.
if you fail one, it's kind of worth it. 'Cause then you have to buy another one for like $100 anyways. So it's like it's only worth it. If not worth it if you like. It's worth it if you don't pass on your first try.
What do you mean? Like if you don't get like a payout?
No, like if it's only $200 to reset, but it's $100 to buy a eval, it's like as long as you
Oh, it's
like
like $80, I think.
no, so like three. Did you guys
A
trade
little, like two
Friday?
and a half.
I traded Friday. I just didn't stream. I just didn't feel like it. I don't know, I was down. I mean, I haven't like. I'm just down bad recently. I'm trying to. What do they say in like baseball? It's like have a short memory. I'm trying to go in with positive hopes this week, but dude, I haven't won a trade in 2 weeks. Over 2 weeks. I I think yeah. I tried to get short and got stopped out, even though we dumped all day. I got long in my cash account and ended up making like $1,000, but I didn't. I don't know. I can't seem to scalp properly, whatever type of trading you would consider I do. It's just been a rough 2 weeks, but I'm just trying
It's just
to.
been so rangy.
Well, it's just like the breakouts are just so shallow. Like the, I think this is the problem. Crazy that you got stopped out. Yeah, I know. This is. I think Friday was a dump fest. Yeah, or what? Because I caught. Oh, this is what I was thinking about taking, but restaurants
Do
and
you think we
50
go
grams.
keep pushing up to like the 900s?
I got long here and made whatever 53 points, but that was in my cash account. I think I got short. Yeah, I got stopped here. I got short when we broke like this low, I think. Or maybe it was on like the 2 minute. I can't remember exactly what time frame I was really looking at when I entered. I mean, that looks like a good bear flag, but I think I just got in preemptively and had my stops at the high, got wicked out, and then proceeded to watch it dump. But I think for now, I'm just gonna be got some accounts back. Not as many as I would have liked, but I don't know. There's only like so many times you can go through and fucking blow accounts before you're like, all right, let's just work with the accounts that I have. So I think I have like, I still have evals that I'm just. It's gonna take me a fucking month to pass, and then I just got like 13 Apex accounts. I don't know, but if you can get 13 Apex accounts to a max payout, it's 26K. So it's not terrible. But I might just try to work with that. I don't know. I just getting demoralized in like the cycle of what has been happening the past like 2 weeks. So like for the first time in such a long time, I have not been excited to trade at all. Like when you're just like getting on and you just I don't know if it ever happens, but I don't know. Just lately, it's just been so bad. And like I
So
can lose. I'm not a like it's not like I expect to win every trade. Like obviously that's like a big problem with people that like can't handle losses. Not that I can't handle losses, but when it's just like every single day for 2 weeks, you're like, wow, this is not. I am not having a good time right now. And then like maybe it does go in your direction, but it just had to chop around for a little bit more first. It's just. I mean, obviously, it's always your fault, right? You're clicking the button, but it's
think we
also
push up to
I
the
think the
900
market
here?
has been a little bit more of a pain than like last month. Morning, Tuckers.
Ooh,
I took the short on oil too on Wednesday and into Friday.
that's up.
What would you guys suggest in getting a cash account to before you start taking out money out of it? Cause that's my problem. I have like this delusional goal of being like, well, I want like a fucking $100,000 cash account that I'm just gonna grow from this money that I already have in here, and I only have like 12 grand in there, so it's like, but I'm always just like, well, I'll get it to 15 and then I'll take out, but then I know I'm gonna get it to 15 and be like, well, I want to get it to 20 and then I'll start taking out, and then like I don't have any sort of risk parameters on it. I don't give a shit because like, yeah, you can be like, oh, you're risking like I'll risk $1,000. I don't care, but I mean that's like 8 or 9% of the account, but I don't care because it's not all my capital. What's the point of taking
I
out?
Yeah, I
I
just
mean,
think you take out when you want to buy something.
yeah, unless you need. Yeah, well, that thing is, I don't need the cash FF. That's the issue. I'm so careless with the account because I sit there and I'm like, I just want to get it to the account, so I'm like, I'll make money and then I just take like a dumb trade and just try to like make way more than I should. Just because I'm like, well, it doesn't fucking matter anyways because it just goes up and down and I never see it anyways. thinking? Are we thinking we're? I mean, we're getting pretty close to all-time highs. Thinking we get up to at least Friday's high. I don't need the cash, or I know I already said it, but also, I mean, like I sit there and I'll make $1,000 and I'm like, oh, it doesn't do anything because I don't see it anyways. So I feel like maybe every once in a while I should just take out some. PA looks cooked already. I mean, we could continue higher. Or like this pivot point. But that 1K you just made pays for your future children's college books. Not if I gamble it on the next trade, Texas. That's what I'm saying. Because then I'm like, well, I'll risk heavier next time, or I'll like. It's not even risking heavier. I just want to hold forever. With like a good amount of leverage, because obviously it's like, well, you could just hold, like buy like some QQQ, but it's like you just don't have like one mini and you hold it for a long time. Like you can make like that was the thing on this. It's like I ended up taking, what is it, like 50 points or whatever it was, 55 points. Like I ended up taking this. It's like I wanted to hold this all the way to VWAP, and then I would have been stopped out break even, but like because I don't have a stop of any sort. I mean, technically it did get to VWAP eventually. I don't know, but it's like I'm greedy. Like I'm sitting there 55 points up, and I'm like, man, I want to ride this another fucking 80 points. Fuck it, bang a 10K short after it makes a new all-time high. Just 10 minis. Get margin called in 2 seconds.
I'd like to see a trap down here.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm waiting for. I'm hoping it just doesn't go, but we'll see.
We're just so far away from the 3 and 5 minute. We'll see if ES like
Falls
triple bottoms.
through. I know Nvidia climbing higher. Let's see, ES right off the 15-minute range.
And it just absolutely double bottom to the tick.
This PA is not tickling my pickle. It's okay. I'll tickle your pickle for you. It's okay. Never mind.
Nice rejection from ES off the double bottom.
For now.
See if we can hold this EMA.
Oh, ES trying to get back above the VWAP.
ES is just straight spiking.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Q continued to go up. Yes, it hasn't.
I'm trying it.
No, I'm in. I got in on that 33 brick.
Yeah, I got in. Yeah, same thing. The problem is, it's like, do I go break even if we break the highs? Because now I'm a scared bitch because I've been losing so much that I want to not lose. But Lord knows, like, it breaks the highs, it's gonna fucking pull back and.
Like this. Try to get some momentum going. Let's try to keep pushing up here.
Actually, I'll do the low of the candle. How about that?
Don't do this thing when you just break through and then come all the way back down and reject. Engulf that whole candle. Cause that shit's gay.
Break even after it closes above highs is what you do? Is that closing above highs or literally closed? What would you do that? It closed like. You probably wouldn't, I'm assuming, but.
You need to get held up like right here.
Yeah.
Stop filled.
Yeah.
Are we really gonna continue this from last week? Do I have to just start going to the first range and just get
That's
like
the
15
issue.
points?
Let's see. I was gonna buy a condo near me. They want 700K. They're insane. Jesus Christ, that is insane. Where you live, same trade.
Whoa! Whoa! What just happened?
Yep. Yep. Bought a house where I lived last year. 1.6 mil. No, you didn't, FFs, did you? Would have done it there too, just choppy. Yeah.
I keep pushing.
God, I'm trying to stay positive, but right now, oh, God, that's just.
All right.
Just taking it.
Yeah, I just
Trailed.
made it like 30 points.
Oh, you made 30 points on that?
I just closed it when I shut up pretty much.
Oh.
Or a little bit less than
It's
30
just
points.
mean. It's just mean.
It's like 25.
See, maybe I should listen to what Flag Poppy says. He says he allows one break even. The problem is I don't trust the one break even because normally it's just been fucking ripping right back through.
I mean, you can't predict like I don't know. Can you predict that it goes up to fully engulf it and go higher again? like what is that price action? It's just fucking dog shit.
We're just so slow breakouts right now. It's painful. Like they say you can't go fucking or like the saying's like, oh, you can't go broke taking profits or whatever, and then people are like, actually you do because you fuck up your RR, and in the long run you won't. When I was just trying to make money every day, that's when I made all my fucking money for my payouts. When like I was just going for like 25 points and just closing when it was like nice pushes up and stuff like that.
Well, that's
Problem is, it's like that's not even a good like what it broke the highs. I mean, it's 15 points. I mean, what is that? $300. I mean, that's good. I guess like
you
it's
could.
good.
I mean, obviously if you close at the very top, but
I mean, yeah, you could have had your. That's what I'm saying though. You could have had your. Like you could have had your take profit. It would be like 12 points from where I got in if you just did like the
yeah.
candle high or whatever. It's like, am I getting in? But the problem is then I have to risk. It's like I'm risking. That was a 23-point risk to make 1250. Does risk to reward even matter? I don't know. It's like, who cares? Because statistically, you're just gonna win it more. Like the risk to reward doesn't even matter ever. It's like you could go for 1 point as long as you have an edge.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter how like skewed it is, right? I do think everybody just gets caught up in like the win rate and the risk to reward and not just making money. And maybe I am doing the same. Even though I'm not caught up in the win rate, I don't care what my win rate is. But I think I should just close. Like in a market like this, I don't like to let it, like it's so hard to let it run to the pivot point. Like I feel like last month, like July and August, it was just, every trade was just running.
I feel like we would have broken that like a
And
month
we at least
ago.
would have ripped up like 30 points, stayed up there, built up a little bear flag, and then went. Now it's just like breakout, pull all the way back, engulf the candle, engulf the candle, engulf the candle.
It's like a month ago that would have broken the 50s and gone straight to like 900 to the top
That's what I'm
of that
saying.
range.
It would have went right to the pivot point. Like the targets were just getting hit. I mean, realistically, it's not even looking like it's not right now. It's just the initial breakouts
Just so
are the
choppy.
issue. Like
Yeah.
we push up, we break out, and then it just instantly makes you think it's a fake out every time because you just immediately
It's like,
get
should I have
swallowed
stayed
back
it?
up.
Like, should I have just stayed in it and never let it, like, just raise my stop?
It's just so hindsight. That's the problem. It's just so fucking hindsight. But if you
'Cause that
follow the
would
rule of
be,
what Flag Poppy said, which I said I do like that rule of like you get one break even. So it's like, all right, it pulls up, it makes a new high, or like sweeps the high, pulls back, and then it pushes back up above it. It's like, okay, now you go break even, and then you'd be fine. You'd still be in the trade, and you'd be up, or I would be
like,
up
I could have
like
been up
30
like
points
40
right
points
now.
almost, right? No, it's like 40 points right here. 33s
35.
to,
From where my entry was, I entered at 37. So
oh, I got
this,
in on
this would be
that.
like 30.
The,
Or yeah, now we're at like 38
no, you
points.
got in on 34.
I don't think so. Oh yeah, 34. I haven't messed up on my trading view.
Yeah. So it's like, I just don't know. It's like, I think it's gonna go, I know it's, well, I don't know, but I'm predicting that it's gonna go higher to at least the highs or at least the pivot point up there. So it's like, should I just be holding it up there or am I
The
just,
problem is, it's just like I have been predicting that and then just getting burnt, and then I just feel like I'm greedy because I'm going for too big of a range in like in a choppy market. So I don't know. I don't know when you're supposed to adjust your rules or not. That's the issue. Good morning, Raven. Yeah, when it's like this, trailing is tight. Take what you can. Yeah. Ugh, it's just such a hard line to like walk back and forth.
No.
Because then in running markets, you sit there and you close early, and then that's like, well, I could have had like there was so many times, even in like July and August, where I'm sitting there and I'm closing early, and then I'm like, wow, that everything was just fucking straight running to my target.
like, are you, did you trade 2 contracts for the your take profit accounts?
Yeah.
So it's like, that's, like right now, that's like a $900, 10 to $1,000 swing in those accounts.
From
I know that
what I
you,
was
like,
up to
yeah,
now.
like if you just like held to the pivot point.
Oh, if you held to the pivot point.
Or like even, I don't even know if you would have held the, like, I'm just saying like, it just sucks.
I'm at 1400 my PA Apex account. Good job. You're another
I haven't
$1,200
seen you,
depending on your consistency, and you should be good.
I haven't seen you in so long.
Today's
It's been like 4 days.
Or you might haven't seen you in so long. What? Sunday, Saturday,
Friday.
Friday.
You were on
So
Thursday.
Thursday. Well, I was on Thursday for 20 minutes and then lost, and I was like, I'm getting off. Fuck this, and it was like fucking 9:45.
Good morning, Joel.
What's up, Joel?
I know. This is the problem. I don't, it's like, should I just be trailing with the EMA? But then at what point am I like, okay, I just get stopped out there, and it's only
Well, if you wanted to trade with the
I make
EMA, you should
$17.
slap on like the 9 EMA or something.
Is that what I? Maybe I
Like
have a
you
21
need
and
like
a
a
9
you need like
or
a.
something.
I feel like a lot of people use like a 9 EMA. Exponential moving average. Let me see.
I just don't know.
I especially miss Johnny. Oh, look at that Raven. She's such a sweetheart.
She just, she just doesn't even care about you.
I understand. I don't care about me either. I'm a piece of shit. Like if you're trailing on the 9 EMA, I don't know. You could wait for like close underneath it, and then I mean you still would have been stopped out at 53s, so like 19 points I would have got. I don't think that's. I don't think the problem is it's never a mechanical method. Like I don't think it's possible to have a mechanical. Oh, I set take profit to here and I do this every time. I literally think every trade is so individualized. It must be. And I know you can't win every trade, and maybe I'm saying that think I can. I don't know.
Did you trade your PAs with that?
Yeah, so I lost like 45 bucks, 60 bucks.
Or whatever. Your spreads are weird.
Like this is the problem. You'd be sitting in it now. You'd just be. I mean, like, am I
Maybe
going for
break
too
even.
much of a range? I don't know.
I mean, that's break even pretty much.
Yeah, I mean that is pretty good. Yeah. Okay, let me go back and look at my old man calendar here. I don't know if I was closing early before. Because I have like a bunch of like, I feel like all my ranges, like all my targets have been like 50 points lately. But I feel like I just don't have any other thing to fucking base it off of. I feel like that was a good target though. You have the pivot points and you have Friday's highs and shit. I don't know, I'm struggling. ES broke
Just
the
get back
low.
above. It's just the end of the trend.
I don't know. I still think we're going higher. I think we're just gonna get back up to all-time highs. I'd have to think. I mean, we're above VWAP still and everything.
Yeah. And you could literally just get in like, you know, you could get in on that break. If you get in at like the 50-ish, you could hold that up to the highs, and that's like 30 points. Almost.
I mean, the 50s would be like
25
here,
points.
but I kind of want to see a trap. I don't know. I feel like I've been not waiting for the trap, and then there has been traps.
Play your music. You're not playing music. I don't hear it on the stream. Oh. You need to like lock the basement for an hour. Exactly. Ooh. Oh, damn. Has Tim found a job yet? Like, is he even working? Oh, he didn't quit. I can't imagine just being like, oh, here's my rent as I fucking am living 4 states away. They patched fair value gaps. Is that it? That just got in long. Yep, yep. Uh, I just want. He is literally just like the funniest person ever. I swear. He's just like looking around. He's like, this thing's really going down. What can I break? Tell me something I can break, guys. Uh-oh. This is why he has a cheat code. He's like, uh, chat told me to go log there. I listened to chat. I'm dumb. He's like, all right, I'm just gonna get back in double my size. Like he didn't even get stopped out. He was just like, all right, double my size. Yeah, he he just DCAs. No, his his average is 62. Like he's at 15 contracts right now between like I don't know how many accounts he has.
Oh God! Can you believe my mom in her own house wants to use one whole floor? What a jerk!
Oh, he just got subbed out.
Did he? Why is this market so garbage right now? I should have overslept. Nonsense. They're just building out a bull flag.
Oh my, he has to be trading evals right now.
Oh, he just gets right back in.
No, because he accidentally put like he doesn't have like a stop loss. It's like a sell order or like a buy order. Whatever, it would be a sell order. So then he was like, oh, I had an extra one, so now I'm in short.
Uh,
And it just pulled back. He's like, no way. But instantly he just DCAs and now he's in 10 contracts and because he buys contracts at like 5 at a time.
he's in 10 shorts.
Yeah.
Still feel like we're going up here.
Well, that's what like his stop loss. He had he had too many orders, so then
Yeah.
he was in short, and then instead of just closing it, he was just like, all right, I'll DCA and keep going short. But it pulled back. I think this is the problem with Pat now, though.
You're a sick if you want to
Trading,
trade this. This is.
trading's such a minuscule thing to him that I feel like he's just like isn't trading like he used to because he just doesn't fucking care.
Yeah.
someone in his chat that Trump's speaking in 4 minutes. I don't know if that's true or not.
I think so. Is Trump speaking? Does anybody know that? I feel like on Forex Factory it normally tells you, and it doesn't say that.
I don't know if it's true or not. I was just reading chat.
Yeah. All I see is consumer credit at like 3 o'clock. You're in short.
How's ES looking?
Good luck, Joel. Nvidia is trying to break below the VWAP. That could be good for you. Short from 845.
This is still.
What's your target? It's good.
Oh,
What's going on, Loki? You know, just hanging out, enjoying the fruits of this market. What is the range on the day?
Connection lost.
Oh, Jesus. Okay. What 772s to so like 104 points. Opening range low. Oh, you're going for a big boy. Think we're gonna retrace this whole move? Shorts, bro. I don't know. Looks like a whole bunch of nothing right now. I don't want shorts or longs.
it's still in his short.
What are these can like? What is this stair step? Let's see if we trap below this and get at least a little jump. Yep. Let's see. It's a little pop. See if we keep going. Shorts round. Stops break even. So your stops are break even already, but you want to go for another. So you got it at the 45s. Went down 20 points. And you're still trying to get another. What is that? 52 points. Good luck. Ugh. Oh, God.
That seems pretty confident we're going lower.
Well, we're flushing right now.
He said if we don't hit the VWAP, he's cutting his dick off live on stream.
We'll see. Hitting the 5-minute EMA right now.
Oh, you gotta see it. When are you gonna see the green candle?
Never again. This was the short that Tekis was talking about that I can make 10K in my cash account. Obama have D. What does Sigma mean? He's a character in Overwatch.
Who?
Sigma. I think Sigma just means like you're a Chad. It's like a. I don't know. Is it like Sigma and Alpha? Is that the things? I don't know what
Yeah.
Sigma. I don't even really know what Sigma is, honestly. It's like you're just a better Alpha. Do you have TikTok? Yeah. TikTok. Oh, that kid that I was telling you who made like 110K?
Sigma means you're independent, introverted, and doesn't follow traditional social hierarchies.
Oh, I thought it was like a better Alpha. Goodbye, Mike. Goodbye, Raven.
Like, I think we would be classified as being a Sigma.
Oh god,
Sigma
don't
male.
say that. Don't say that. That sounds so fucking gay.
Well, I'm just
I'm
saying
a
that's what we.
Sigma, bro.
Eh,
TikTok is definitely better than YouTube Shorts. I don't go on TikTok. I try to stay away from it. There's enough fucking brain rot that I'm trying to avoid. I moved my take profit to 806. So, did that just miss you by a tick? TP it. Okay, nice.
wow, a green candle.
It's not over yet. There's still 27 seconds left. I like to do anything but trading. I used to like to trade back in my heyday. Now I hate it. This shit sucks. This shit sucks. I liked it like a month ago. I was having fun. No, I just lose every trade I take.
We saw one green candle get unlocked. Now we have to see 15 green candles in a row, right?
It only makes sense. Even when I make money, I don't get happy. I mean, people would say that's good. Because it's not supposed to be about, like, the emotions. It's just supposed to be, like, go on, do what you're supposed to do, and then get off. I get, like, relieved. I make money, I just am like, oh, thank God we won. But then when I lose, I get upset. So I'm never happy. Perfect exists, man. Look at that green candle. What, did you snag the bottom? Yeah, you did. You got this Sigma boy. Oh, God. Oh, God, it's terrible. Oh. I wouldn't suggest anyone to start trading. You can make a ton of money, but I don't know what is off.
No, trading sucks. I wouldn't recommend it to anyone. it ruins your mindset for anything else, so then everything else just sucks.
I don't. Yeah, it's
It's like
just.
you can never go work and do something else because you're just like, I can make more money and trade. It's like, why am I gonna sit there and work for $40 an hour when I can take one trade
Yeah, but you could
and
say that
make,
about the casino, and people know that the casino is not like a.
I don't know, but it's just like, it's like,
It's like, oh, I could do this, but it's like, yeah, well, thought like you could win sometimes, but like statistically, you are going to lose, and I feel like you just know that it's
no,
just for
but I'm just
fun.
saying in comparison, it's like, why am I ever gonna go work? Even on a high scale, say $100 an hour. It's like, why am I gonna go work, make $100 an hour when I could just make 5 points on the Nasdaq?
Yeah, with one contract.
Yeah, and it's like, that happens every fucking
One
15
second.
seconds.
5 points? 5 points is literally every like 2 seconds.
Yeah, it's just like,
It's just a constant state of. Or I don't know. You're just not always concerned, but just always sucks. Or it doesn't always suck. It's just like you never fully have it. Like I made $60,000 in 4 weeks, and then I haven't won a trade since. But the good thing is, it's like, well, realistically, if you could make $60,000 a week twice a year, and then lose the whole rest of the year, you'll be profitable. At least in
I
prop
just think I
firms.
gotta get better at pivoting because it's like a lot of trades I lost like last week or like the past 2 weeks. It's like I'm up, it's just like 10, 15 points, and then I just get fucking stopped out from my stop loss, and then it like goes in my direction. It's like I
That's
just feel like when it starts getting bad, I just gotta pivot and just start going for like 10, 15 points, 20 points. It's like
that's the problem. I feel like you get like overconfident, and then you start going for more. Like I sat there and like I see most of my trades from like July and August. It's like okay, I took a or 34 points, 29 points, 18 points, 18 points, 43 points, 15 points, 23 points, 15 points, 15 points, 15 points, 26 points, 24 points, 53, 24, 22. Like I mean, I hit a couple like home run trades, but most of my trades are just like 15 to 25 points, which I mean, if you make 15 points fucking 5 days in a row, what is that? 15 times 5 is what, 75? Is that right? No. Yeah, 75.
75. Yeah, 75. So it's like, am I really gonna sit there and complain about making over
Yeah, if I
$1,000?
could make
Just take
75, if
15
I could
points.
make 15 points a day, it's 75 points a week. I mean, obviously you're gonna lose and shit like that, but it's like,
And what is that, like $1,500?
I mean, that's 75 times 20. 1,500.
Like you say it like that, and you're like, wow, like what?
So then you sit there and you're like, oh, if I were to do that for 3 weeks in a row and just make 15 points a day, I mean, obviously easier said than done, but
Yeah,
it's like, okay, then that's max payout in whatever accounts in 3 weeks.
I told you, Mike. First green candle, go long.
Well, Patman has to cut his dick off.
Yeah, no, he was like, fucking 3 points away. It was close enough, guys, right?
Uh,
And then everyone just starts posting like scissor emotes.
uh, like, this is a problem. I would want to get long right here. We're like breaking above on the 5 minute. But then your stop is, if you want to do your stop at the low, it's 45, 49 points, which I will not do. But if we were to like build out another little, if we like retrace now and pull back to like the 1 minute EMA, because basically all we did was just pull back, bounce out the 5 minute EMA, and then start going along. Trading seems so depressing, but I can't quit. Are you profitable or no? I'm assuming not. If you're saying you can't quit. As far as I remember, you trade breakouts. Yeah, I trade breakouts. It's just like you're just never going to always be winning, and it's just so hard to accept. Like I even like you say, like you go on a win streak, and you're like, man, I am so due to lose, and then you say that, but then you don't really understand what that means until you lose for fucking 2 weeks in a row right after you win for 2 months
Like,
straight.
you understand why people want to just work hourly and consistent
Yeah,
wages because
yeah.
when you're just sitting there not making any money for so long and then just like want lump sums, it's just like
So much more like not stressful,
yeah,
but it's just
it is. I mean, it is can be stressful.
yeah. What's the thing?
Like
It's like
even when I was working hourly, I'm like, you get paid bi-weekly. That sucks because then you have to worry about like not like worry about it, but it's like that's then you're only making money every 2 weeks. That sucks. It's like
I just think it's dumb
well,
because it's like, why can't they pay you for one
yeah.
week at a time? Like it doesn't make any sense. If they can pay you bi-weekly, they can pay you weekly. I just don't know why they. Wow, we just
Welcome
straight
to the club.
fucking boner candle straight higher.
Everyone hates when you trade because everyone thinks it's
Yeah, you're
stupid and you
profitable.
can't do it.
You are profitable. Then I think US 30 is better for you. Nasdaq only consolidates. That's not true. Nasdaq has crazy moves. The Dow.
No, that's not true at all. If you look at any like big trader, they're all trading the Nasdaq.
I mean, the Dow's like double the size of the Nasdaq, so it's I don't know. Like what this is what we did on the Dow today. I mean, you can't say this isn't
No, but it's
consolidation
got the
too.
perfect. No, I'm not saying this isn't consolidation.
No. I'm saying this to him, like,
Uh,
because the Dow is also just like it pushed lower and then pulled back. Like it's the same thing. It's like the inverse of the Nasdaq. We push higher and we pull back. So we'll see what happens, but. Wow, we really are just gonna straight. You were right. It's like
I told
we,
you.
we had 15 red candles in a row. Now we need 15 green candles in a row.
I told you.
Yeah, my whole
How many
family.
points was that, man?
Your whole family hates you for trading, even though you're profitable. And what do you mean by hate? Right? Like I feel like that's a crazy statement. Like they can think you're dumb, but. Hey there, I was wondering if you are in need of any editor. I mean, Johnny, you're fired. Yeah, we'll take it now.
All right, fire me. I'm not even getting paid.
Yeah.
It's like
Um. No, I'm okay. I don't need any editor. I don't edit my video. Or like my videos are just like raw random talks anyways. I don't do anything crazy. They wanted
well,
me
you
to
do it for
become a
free.
doctor, but I became a trader instead. If I even become a billionaire, they will hate me for sure. Yeah, I'm sure.
This is the problem too with trading. You're like, well, I want to make. Let's just say like people are like, oh, you're a doctor. You must make so much money. Blah 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 blah. Your job's so important. And I just want to be like, I sit on my computer and click a button, and I want to make
Make
more
your
than you.
salary, yeah.
Being just some like dumb kid. Like,
Well, that's like my brother. He's trying to get jobs in New York, and he's applying for like these high executive positions at these fucking big ass companies and shit. And it's like, oh, like, and he's trying to make like 150 or something. It's like, oh, if you have to be like some big corporate bigwig at some giant company and like some like be not like the CEO, but like a big like supervisor spot and stuff like that, and you dress up in your suit and you're all fancy to make 150K. It's like, dude, I'm literally trying to do that.
in my
Like,
undies,
yeah, literally sitting there with no shirt on, fucking trading.
for an hour, 2 hours a day. Like,
Yeah, exactly.
it,
For fucking
it,
a quarter of the time, I'm trying to make more money than you, or at least just as
trading ruins
much.
your perspective of everything else.
Yeah,
That's why it
you get like
sucks.
so skewed. Like that's the thing. Like I make an $1,000 trade, and I'm like, oh, I don't care. It's just in my account. But realistically, it's like if you were to take that out, or like even when I made 60K in a month, it's like that is a crazy amount of money to make in a month, and it doesn't feel like it because it just like goes into my bank and I never see it. But yeah, you like make $1,000
Well,
and
it'd
you're like,
feel like
oh,
it if you went out and just bought something. That's the thing. It's like the same thing when you said at the casino, you're better off just
yeah.
taking it out, going to a casino store and
Well, I
buying
say
like a
I say
fucking
that
nice
more
watch.
because you're more likely to like. Hopefully, I don't lose all the 60K that I just made. But like at the casino,
Yeah,
it's like
yeah,
you're more
yeah.
likely to just fucking give it back. So you might as well buy something tangible before you give it all back. If I decided to become
I'm
a
saying
doctor,
that's
I
like
would
the
be
same case.
unemployed
That's
for
how
my whole
you
life.
would. That's how you feel like you actually like made something.
Yeah. You got to do something with it. I mean, that's why like I just buy something random at work every like 5 months because I'm like, man, I'm literally working for no reason. Like I show up and give 40 plus hours to my life every week, and all this money just goes into my bank because I don't fucking use any of it anyway. So then like you just need to buy something just to like feel like you're actually going to work for a reason. Other than like fucking monsters and protein bars at the gas station.
Well, that's just like a daily expense.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like that, it's like, oh, you, that doesn't count as things you buy. It's like that's the only thing I'm
And it's
buying.
just something
Like
you fund.
phone
Like
bill or yeah.
I don't think any consumable counts because it's just not like consumables aren't fun.
Yeah.
They're just something that
Right.
you
It's like some.
require.
It's like some
typically.
object. Like yeah, you need like some stupid object that is fun. You need something material, like some sort of material. Do you have my stream up, Johnny, or no?
Yeah, I turned
Oh.
my charts off, so I'm just watching your stream.
Oh.
Why?
Or Joel asked you a question. I didn't know if you saw
Hey
it.
Johnny, when are you coming to the stream, man? What do you mean, when am I coming to it? I'm on it every day.
He'll be there when we move out. It's just we gotta wait for him to get some payouts.
Yeah, when I move out, that's when I'll do a face reveal.
Face reveal. You guys will be so disappointed. Like, man, this guy's uglier than he sounds, and I didn't think that was possible.
I'm a stud.
Yeah, right. But yeah, so because we were looking at the apartments we looked at, it's we're probably gonna have our desks in like the living room. So if I'm on my computer trading, he'll be next to me. BDH version 2. Yeah, right. I would. I think it'd be, or like, I wouldn't hate going on. Like he lets viewers on and stuff like that. I mean, he let some kid on like Slade or whatever who had like 2,000 subscribers, and I think I have more in payouts than he did. Face for radio, voice for print. How many fun accounts you have right now? I think like 13. And then like some evals. But you can only blow accounts for so long before you're like, all right, I'm just going to deal with the accounts I have. I think from now, or I don't want to say from now on, but maybe, like, I kind of just want to go for max payout. Like, now that I actually, like, have some breathing room, like, that's a good thing even now with trading. It's like, and I haven't even made that much, but it's like, just from that big month that I had, and now I actually have some breathing room, like, I think I'm just going to go for, like, the big, like, max payout, like the $2,000 payouts. So if I have like 13 accounts, $2,000 payout would be 26K. That's not terrible. Or obviously not terrible. That's good. But do you trade Tradeify? I heard of them. I think are they only straight to fundeds? I don't really like to pay for the straight to fundeds. But no, I don't trade with them. And maybe at some point. Like that's the thing. I want to get freaking 50 accounts, 20 Apex accounts, freaking 5 MyFunded futures, 5 Take Profit Trader, Alpha futures, funding ticks. Tradeify, freaking Bullionox, like. I was hoping we would trap first before we went, but we're not looking like it. It's like it is crazy. Like you don't see a lot of people trading a lot of even like these guru got like I don't know if you guys have seen this guy, but he's been popping up for me a decent amount lately. I've been watching his videos. Am I subscribed to him? His name's like Riley. I don't know. Riley Trades or something. This kid, what's his name? Riley Bolfa. Oh, that sounds like a both of these nuts. Riley Balfa. Like, have you guys seen this guy? Like, he made like 110K last month. I found out afterwards that only like 45 of it was from trading. And like, yeah, Riley Balfa, yeah. Like, I'm like, oh, like this guy's balling. He made over 100K this month. But he made less money in, like, he made like 45K in payouts, which is obviously really good. I'm just surprised. I mean, because I think he only trades like 5 Top Step and 3 Alpha Futures. And I'm just like, why are these guys who are profitable? And like, this guy definitely is. I'm like, why wouldn't you just trade as many accounts as you can? Maybe he is trying to scale, I don't know, but I just think it's like crazy. I'm like, wow, this guy made 110K, and then I'm like, well, he did what I did, like trading. I did what he did, but he's just markets and posts and has a mentorship and shit. Like, I don't know. What's up, 12? Oh yeah, I know who you're talking about. Yeah, Riley Balta. They have all types of accounts Tradify does. I might have looked at them. I don't know. Right now, I don't feel like buying anything. I'm down bad. But maybe we finally get to the pivot point, and I would have been right. Well, realistically, I would have been wrong first. If this had pulled back more, I would have probably got in. Alright, I might call it. I don't know. It doesn't look like I'm going to get anything. I mean, there was some potential to make some money today. Yeah, I'm gonna call it. Nothing going on here. I'm not gonna take a trade in the next 15 minutes, so this is where I wanted to go, and then after that, who knows, we might reverse, we might not. But, alrighty, peace out.